Timothee Chalamet's 11 million Beverly Hills mansion is a true Hollywood dream, with 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, and a star-studded history featuring past owners like Kate Upton. This property is the ultimate retreat. Timothee's mansion isn't the only thing that he keeps away from the public eye, though he's also very private about his relationship. In fact, Timothee and Kylie Jenner are one of the most private Hollywood couples of the moment. Since their romance first made headlines in April 2023, the pair has kept fans guessing with their low-key approach, sparking constant rumors of breakups, but behind closed doors, their relationship has only grown stronger, with Timothee even joining Kylie and her kids for a secret Christmas Eve celebration today. Though we're taking a deeper look at Timothee's jaw-dropping million-dollar mansion, boasting a tennis court, pool, and more, as well as the growing bond between these two A-listers. Timothee Chalamet and Kylie Jenner's romance is one of the most unexpected but intriguing love stories in Hollywood. Call Me by Your Name, starring the beauty mogul, were first linked in April 2023, sparking curiosity given their very different worlds. Timothee's an indie film, darling, and Kylie, well, she's the youngest self, me, billionaire with aeriality. TV lifestyle, very different. Initially, the couple kept their relationship under the radar, leaving fans speculating about their status, steamy PDA at Beyoncé's Renaissance World Tour. The rare outing at the complete unknown after party. The movie, which Timothee stars in all of these moments, confirmed their growing relationship, and despite the attention, Timothee and Kylie have chosen to keep a low profile. Sources close to the couple reveal that their connection is easygoing and grounded. Timothy's reportedly become a familiar face to Kylie's kids, Stormy, an heir whom she shares with her ex, Travis Scott. However, the coup's careful with this dynamic. Kylie's kids refer to Timothee as a friend. For now, the relationship marks a new chapter for both stars. Insiders describe Timothee as supportive of Kylie's priorities, often working around her schedule, and the duo is committed to making their romance work. Despite their busy lives, when it comes to where the couple spends time, they each own stunning homes in Los Angeles. Timothee purchased his mansion in May 2022 for $10.9 million. Located in Beverly Hills, built in 1976, this luxurious yet refreshingly traditional home sits at top of the hills of La, combining the best of New England coastal style with modern Hollywood glam, spending over 5,500 feet. His home features light wooden floors, white paneled walls, and an abundance of windows, ensuring every corner is bathed in sunshine, with 4 spacious bedrooms and 5 baths. The house has an open, airy feel. When it comes to details, there are exposed wooden beams and a neutral color palette. One of the 2 spaces is the grand living room, where a floor-to-ceiling fireplace makes a dramatic focal point perfect for cozy nights, or hosting. Timothy's kitchen is also impressive, centered around a white and gray marble island with brown seating, state-of-the-art appliances, and a charming breakfast nook with built-in storage add to the space's functionality. In C8 next to the kitchen, there's a formal dining, are ideal for intimate gatherings or larger celebratory dinners. There are also a ton of entertainment options in Tim Mansion. A lower-level entertainment room houses a bar, wine cellar, and a theater area designed for oversized comfort. Moving outside, the 1.55-acre property offers lush private greenery, a championship tennis court, and sparkling swimming pool with raised jacuzzi spa for overnight guests. There's also a charming and private guest house on the property. Timothy's home boasts a star-studded history, having been owned by supermodel Kate Upton and her husband, baseball pro Justin Verlander, as well as saxophonist Kenny G and tennis legend Pete Sampras. It's also part of a celebrity favorite neighborhood, considering he has neighbors like Vin Diesel, John Mayer, and Cameron Diaz. Despite its $1.7 million listing price, Timothee managed to secure the home at a $700,000 discount, yet another win for the Oscar-nominated actor. While Timothy spends most of his time in LA, now likely even more so considering his relationship with Kylie, he still owns an apartment on the East Coast. A handful of years ago, Timothy also purchased an apartment in New York City for $1.5 million. This urban retreat features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and approximately 1,000 square feet of living space. While the apartment might look a little basic at first glance, the living room shows an amazing view of the New York City skyline in the kitchen, sleek stainless steel appliances, glossy black tile, and gray granite counters. Elevate the galley-style design, which is definitely functional. The master suite boasts a floor-to-ceiling window that provides breathtaking views of the iconic city, perfect for enjoying a nightly display of sparkling lights and towering skyscrapers as part of an upscale and a fully equipped gym. While the unit briefly appeared on the rental market in 2019 for $4,800 per month, the listing was quickly withdrawn. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks so much for hanging out with us at FameFrame. If you like the tour, we'd love your support. Just hit that like button to let us know you're enjoying the videos, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the latest updates.